Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is show shortly and tell you how easy it is that I'm recording on this screen. As you hear what I'm saying on the screen, that I also screen recording here, and also the microphone is on, that I can talk exactly into directly into the phone. If like I'm doing something like this, and I open a setting, and then I slide like that. So as you can hear my voice. So you're wondering why I can screenshot screen recording and plus voice. So I want to show you the easy way trick on this iPhone. So first of all, I need you to go to the setting and go to control center. First, for your iPhone, if on your screen, if you don't see the symbol of the record like this, you just go to the setting and then go to a control center, and then you go to see the screen recording, and then you plug it in. You plug, like for example, like this. You have to remote, but I don't have to remote it. If you don't have a screen recording, you just plus like that, plus alarm like this. Alarm before didn't have in control center, but now it has in control center. So as you can see, screen recording is already into the control center, and then I go to control center. As you can see here in the screen record, you just click hold on that screen recording. As you can see here, the symbol of a microphone on, which means you see I'm recording on my video. So that's all guys. If you click on that microphone symbol, the microphone is off. So for right now, I'm recording is on. So this is a trick guys. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys, if you want to enjoy it, if you want me to do about fixing the anything, if your phone has a problem, just comment down below and I will show how to do it. Thank you guys, see you the next video.